Hey you guys! So I made this super cute press-on set for a friend. All she said was baby pink, glitter if I had glitter, and bling. So this is what I decided to go with, and I really hope she likes it, but I'm going to show you guys how I did this set, so just keep on watching. So I'm taking the shape Long Coffin and my Macart gel polish in the color 3009, which is this super cute like baby doll pink color. So I'm just applying on the first coat, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then while that set is curing, I'm going to paint the other nails. And then of course you want to apply a second coat because we want a nice opaque color. We don't want nothing transparent around here. And again, cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so because this color is so like such a light color, I'm actually going to do 3 coats of polish, and then I took off the ring finger because on the ring finger I'm going to be taking my Macart nail art transfer glue and using that on because I'm actually going to be putting on transfer foil on the ring finger. So third coat on all the other nails and then just my transfer glue on the ring nail. Once you apply it on, go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds, again in the lamp. And then I'm taking this, I don't even know, silver shiny holographic, I don't know, I really like this transfer foil though. And I'm just cutting 2 pieces because it's going on both ring fingers. And once my nails come out the lamp, I'm taking my ring finger, obviously, and I'm going to put the transfer foil on. I try to put it on so that it doesn't like scrunch up and then cause creases, but honestly, I feel like it always does anyways. I'm not a nail transfer foil professional yet, but I'm getting there. So I'm just trying to press it in around the edge of the nail so that I can get as much coverage. And then this is actually for applying eyelashes, but hey, it works. So I'm just going to use that and like rub it into the nail to try to get as much coverage as I can. Okay, you guys ready? We're going to peel off and yes, we have a beautiful coverage with this transfer foil. Look at that. So shiny. That's what the set looks like so far. Super cute. But we need some bling on this set, y'all. So I'm taking these crystals. I got them off AliExpress. They're a silver and a pink color. I'm taking my rhinestone glue, which I've said before that I don't really love, but hey, it kind of works sometimes when it feels like it. And then just taking my nail brush, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the glue on the tip of the pinky. And I'm taking 1 pink stone and 1 silver stone. I believe they're the second smallest size in the pack, and I'm just putting 2 stones on the very tip of the nails. And then on the middle finger, I'm doing a straight row all the way up. So I'm going to take my brush and apply on a layer of the glue right down the middle of the nail. And anytime you're using bling, honestly, it's just easier to work on the nail individually by itself. So then I'm just taking my picker and I'm doing a alternating silver pink on the same size that I have on the pinky, going right down the middle finger. On the thumb at the base, I'm taking the 2 first biggest stones, so the biggest and then the second biggest, and then I'm taking the second smallest and then just putting them in a line from the base of the thumb. Did that make sense? I hope that made sense. And then I'm going to take my Macart top coat and apply it on the nails. The nails with the rhinestones, I'm just going to apply it on the side rather than getting them on the stones. Although it's shiny, I find it takes away from the shine of the gems. So I'm just going to put it all around. And then I'm going to cure them in my lamp for 2 minutes. Whenever I do rhinestones, I cure them for 2 minutes because I like to try to ensure that they stay on as long as possible. And then after 2 minutes, y'all, look at these cute nails. Oh my God. At least I think they're cute, so I really hope my friend does. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment if you, let me know if you guys like the set. Comment down below. Anyways, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.